In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your keyboard. Now, as you can see, I can easily type in the current mode. When we lock this screen, typing will be disabled and therefore you will be unable to type. So let me show you how to do so. So here is our screen and here is our keyboard. We shall just follow some few steps on the keyboard to be able to lock the keyboard. So we shall use the shift button, as you can see, and the shift button on the far right of your keyboard. Go ahead and press the shift button for like 8 seconds. So here we go. Now you have heard the beeping sound. That is called the filter keys sound. If you check on the screen, you can see a dialog box on filter keys. Go ahead and click or tap yes. Let's go ahead and type anything on the keyboard and see if it has been locked. Now you can see I'm trying to type, but nothing is being written. The keyboard has successfully been locked. So that's how you lock your keyboard on a computer or a laptop.